In a sunlit garage, Lila built a solar-powered charger that could power a week of devices on a single charge. Her breakthrough came when a local maker fair connected her to mentors and a tiny grant that kept prototypes alive. Years later, MoonLeaf Tech shipped thousands of wallet-sized chargers to rural clinics, empowering doctors with reliable power during emergencies. Investors noticed a partnership formed with a university incubator, and supply chains scaled without sacrificing the care for impact. Today, Lila mentors new founders, proving that curiosity and community backing can turn a garage dream into a global habit.